Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on Friday, June the 15th. It's actually June the 16th, I'm sorry. It's actually June the 17th. It's about 1:30 a.m. Central. And we are still here breaking autographed jerseys. This here is a 2-box break of the Ultimate Autographed Baseball Jerseys Series 5. It is box 89 and 92. We did random team sales, as you can see on the far right. We have already randomized both teams and customers. We then alphabetized the customers so they could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them a whole bunch of time to trade, but doesn't look like anything's happening. We got lots of guys making offers, but nothing going on. So we are just gonna break here. Top of your first box seal. Here we go. Ooh, wow, well, there is Mr. Cub, folks. Mr. Cub and Ernie Banks, you all. Let me show you that again. I knew who it was because I saw the card. I did not want to show you. It's got the GT Sports Marketing card. It is also looks like it's gonna have the Majestic labels on it, folks, which is another bonus, guys. Again, man, Ernie Banks, very likable player. And again, he passed away not too long ago, folks. So, Mr. Cubby. So again, it's got the Majestic labels on it and such there, y'all. Nice hit. Very nice jersey, man. Got a guy I grew up loving. Was actually like a liaison at the bank across the street, like a public relations guy from where we went to grammar school. We used to see him a lot. Very nice. That is play to win. Gonna take him home. Awesome. Ernie Banks, folks. I'm not sure who's the tittle of baseball. Yeah, to tell you the truth on that one. Yeah. All right. So that is going to be a play to win hit. Boom. Nice hit for him, bud. Very cool hit. All right, we're on to our second box in our 2-box. Jim Palmer, that's who it is. There you go. That would be the one. Yeah, Jim Palmer. Pop. Yeah, Palmer's the tittle of baseball. Here we go, folks. Boom, man. That is a Lance Parrish, folks. A Lance Parrish hit. It's another Majestic hit, folks. You go, guys. Lance Parrish. Gonna open that baby up, man. Very cool Detroit Tigers hit for y'all. Again, Majestic pitches and labels, Majestic tags and such on that baby. All right, who has Detroit? Who has Detroit, y'all? Minnesota Knoll. There you go, bud. Minnesota Knoll's going to take home the Detroit Lance Parrish. All right, join us at breakers.tv 7 nights a week where you find us breaking all forms of memorabilia starting about 9 p.m. Eastern, and we go until the room clears out. As you can see, it's getting coming up on about 2 a.m. Central or 3 a.m. Eastern time. So have a good one.